Okay. Classic ENT. Oklahoma stands up. 415 until I die, we keep it.
So one time for Classic ENT.
All the way turned up, yeah, you know you need one. I will stimulate your senses, you could call me Five Gums. I might as well, you already know that I'ma kill this beat and coming through. You know I'm steady growing like grass in the ground, and you know I put it down, and your bitch gon' come over, put that dick right in a pound. So I'ma beat it up right out of the frame, and you already know they call me by my last damn name, like ARTERBER. Why am I so flying? Why do you sit on the ground? So damn, I don't really give a damn what he be talking about. I guess it must be good, cause my name is all in his bitch's mouth. Every day I'm killing it. Every day I'm feeling it. Every day I'm Mr. D, the buffalo I'm feeling it. I feel on your girl booty, call me Mr. Feel Good. Make her feel good, and then I put it all up in her good. And up in that Gucci, and you know I got that Brucey, and I feel like I'm your worst enemy, but no, not Gucci, but I do get it like OJ. Juice and drink it up, and you already know it's all the way turned up, you will get turned down. Your girl kinda loud, might just have to pipe it down. Might just have to get that gun, might just have to get my knife. Might as well call me 24/7, 365. I do it every day. All my life I wanted to do this rap shit. Then I was on that football, that Bomber Town, the realest. Everybody know it's who want it, where really got. If you talking noise, you might get hit by the homie Eli. If you might like catch that shit, you might just get a foot to the face. Once again, I'm breaking them hoes. I'm a red eye looking like I got Phil Mace. Once again, and I'm doing it good. Once again, and I'm killing the flow. I can do well faster, screwed and drop it every time it turns. Yeah. We the best. Tell them we the best. Tell them once again, all the way turned up. We better than the rest. Better than that hater though. I'ma come and kill the flow. Let me go ahead and tell them fight both of them. I can get the ransom. Your girl looking good though. She call me the handsome. I'm a Mr. Terminator. Mr. Terminator, resuscitator. I'm a skater boy. Coming through my record beat. I put her on my dashboard. She wanna see the sunrise. I put her right up on the hill. Once again, they call me Mr. Kill. Bill or kill any hater. Kill him, kill her, kill everybody in the house. I don't care about Mickey Mouse, but I do care about Chuck E. Cheese, cause I'm all about my paper though. Back up in the game again, they call me Mr. Ransom, no. Call me Mr. Ransom, no. Are you all about that money, Keith? Call me Mr. 7 to the third letter, you know it's me. Y'all know how I do it though. Call me Mr. GMC, cause I'm all about my Sierra. I'm back up on the beat and we. You think these niggas in Oklahoma can't rap? Oh, you must have a twisted like the pressure you eating on right now, huh? So we all the way turned up. So that's New York. Okay, you see me getting money. Okay, you see me getting money.
Yeah.
Body rock.